Take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Now let it go. Let go of the idea that you are defined by your past. You are not your mistakes. Those moments of misjudgment, the words you wish you could take back, they are not the sum of who you are. They were simply moments in time, stepping stones on a much longer journey. Forgiveness isn't about erasing the past, but about releasing its grip on your present. You are not your trauma. The pain you endured, the wounds that may still ache, they are a part of your story, but they are not the entire book. They do not dictate the chapters yet to be written. You are not your past. The labels others gave you, the roles you were forced to play, they are costumes you can now remove. Look in the mirror and see the person who stands there today, separate from the echoes of yesterday. You are the lessons, the growth, the strength that came from it. Every challenge forged a new layer of resilience. Every tear watered the seeds of wisdom. This is your power. This is the alchemy of the human spirit. Your past may explain you, but it doesn't have the power to define your future unless you let it. It is a landscape you have traveled through, not a destination where you must remain. The view from this window right now is what matters. You've already survived what tried to break you. Think about that. You are still here. The storm did not win. You found shelter. You endured. And now the sun is breaking through the clouds. Feel its warmth on your skin. Now it's time to live free. Free from the weight of expectation. Free from the chains of regret. It's time to breathe in the vastness of your own potential and exhale the limitations you once believed. You can't rewrite your past, but you can create a new chapter starting today. This very moment is a fresh page. The walk signal is green. Take that first step. It doesn't have to be a leap, just a simple, intentional move forward. Your future is an unwritten story, and you hold the pen. Begin.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.